Have you ever wondered what the interior of a passenger-ready, blended wing-body, or BWB aircraft would look like? Well, wonder no more, as today a San Diego-based company called Natilus released details and images showing the layout, seats, and comfort features of what promises to be a revolutionary design in the aviation industry. But first, a thing or two about what a blended wing-body aircraft is all about. That would be a plane that shows no clear distinction between its main fuselage and wings, although it has them both. It's a choice that in theory should deliver several advantages over traditional aircraft frames. For one, such a plane would be capable of generating more lift and would face less drag as it moves through the air. When it comes to interior space, because it's not a small tube with wings to its sides, it should deliver a lot more interior space for people to enjoy. It's unclear exactly why blended wing-body machines are not flying in the skies of our world yet. God knows there have been several attempts at making them real. Back in the 1920s, the Westland Dreadnought came about, followed in the 1990s by the BWB-17 of McDonnell Douglas and NASA. At some point, even Airbus and Bombardier gave the idea a try, but nothing really came of it. As you're watching this, there are at least two companies gunning to make blended wing-body aircraft a reality of our time. Jet Zero is one of them, whose Z4 is expected to fly for the first time as a demonstrator later this decade. The second, and the focus of our here story, is Natilus, who is working on a potentially game-changing flyer called the Horizon. This plane has been the focus of our stories before, but we're coming back to it after the company gave us a glimpse at the thing's interior. Remember how I said a BWB design facilitates greater interior space? Watch on and find out exactly what that means. First up, it's worth mentioning that the interior of the Horizon will be customizable, meaning it could be adapted to serve whatever plans airlines have for it. There are a couple of standard layouts though, and it is them that have been detailed. At its maximum capacity, the Horizon will be capable of carrying 196 passengers. 40 of them will be seated in first-class seats at 38-inch pitch, 48 in economy plus seats at 34-inch pitch, and 108 in economy seats at 31-inch pitch. Natilus says the seats are 20-inch wide, and they offer a huge 7.5 feet of headroom. In lie-down position, they extend to 78 inches. This layout is also equipped with 8 exit doors. It's unclear how they solve the issue of evacuating passengers in case of an emergency in such a design, and up to 4 restrooms. A more premium configuration would allow only 164 passengers to climb on board, 16 lay-down first-class seats, 16 business-class seats, 60 economy plus seats, and 72 economy seats. Each Horizon aircraft can be configured to include 3 video conference pods, each of them fully equipped with hardware and connections that allow for both video and audio calls to be made. If need be, a so-called club seating will be introduced, allowing families, colleagues, and friends to stay close to one another during long flights. Even if they are generally bad in today's airplanes, the economy seats in this plane will each be equipped with 15-inch back-of-seat infotainment systems to get passengers' minds off things. There will be an intelligent lighting system on board that can be customized to mimic natural or ambient light and can even be synced with the infotainment system. The plane will be powered by a pair of yet undisclosed engines, mounted on top of the fuselage. This position will make them low noise, and they'll be able to push the Horizon forward for distances of up to 4,000 miles while carrying a payload of up to 25 tons. Supposedly, the engines will eat up 25% less fuel than comparable tube-and-wing aircraft. That translates into 50% less money needed to operate the plane, according to the company working on it. The Horizon is being designed in such a way that it will be capable of using existing airport infrastructure. It is intended to compete with the Boeing 737 MAX and Airbus A320. Natilus calls it the Boeing killer. The plan is to have the Horizon in the air as soon as early next decade. Natilus has even begun looking for a site where to build the assembly facility. Prime candidates are the US, UAE, India, and Saudi Arabia. Initial details say the place will cover 2.5 million square feet and it will employ some 3,000 people.